Fix forgotten Telegram passcode lock. Have you forgotten your Telegram passcode and now you're locked out of your account? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily reset your Telegram passcode so you can get back into your app without any hassle. If you've tried everything but you cannot be able to simply get your Telegram passcode, what you can do is simply open your App Store and go to the search bar and simply search for Nicegram or Nicegram. Here what you need to do is simply download it, and this is a Telegram client, so it will automatically sync your messages from Telegram. You can simply view all the messages that you had in Telegram account through Nicegram. Once you have access all your data, you can simply delete Telegram app and install it again and make sure that passcode is not enabled again. And that's it. That's how you can simply fix forgotten Telegram passcode lock.